Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. This affordable, easy-to-use camera may lack the more advanced modes, but these are part of its charm. This instant camera is packed with an auto-exposure system, a tiny mirror in front of the camera, and a pop-out lens barrel for close-ups for instant selfie. This camera is also available in a range of fun colors that you can choose according to your preference. Fujifilm Instax Mini 70. This instant camera comes with 5 shooting modes. However, you have to be careful when using this Instax Mini 70, since you have to up securing the flash with your fingers when you are taking shots vertically, but you will get used to it with practice. Polaroid OneStep 2. This camera with retro design is set up to be as easy to use as possible. Thanks to the I-type films, this camera has a larger print compared to others. Leica Software. This instant camera from Leica comes with some useful modes such as macro, bulb, self-timer, party and people, sport and actions, double exposure and selfie modes. It also has fully automatic modes for practical use. Sadly, this instant camera is way more expensive than other camera. So make sure that you have secured your budget to buy this instant camera. Canon IV Click Plus or Zoom Mini S. This pocket-sized camera comes with a built-in LED ring flash, mirror lens barrel for selfies, and automatic focus system. This camera can take pictures after 10 seconds of press. The battery on this camera can last for 10 images. This camera also has built-in Bluetooth support, so this camera can also be used as a portable printer. Fujifilm Instax Wide 300. This camera with 95mm lens has a tiny viewfinder. With enough practice, you will get used to this camera. This camera is easy to use and delivers very good result. This camera also has a proper photograph compared to others instant camera.